Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
All right, so we're hoping today to introduce you to a couple of tools here within Google. Now, as you open a new tab, this here is your Google search for all of the internet far and wide. You can revisit any of these searches, and you can also curate them by deleting them and saying, I no longer need access to any of these right here. These will also be repeated up here in your quick searches as you're looking for different opportunities to get back to something you have searched previously. However, I want to introduce you to the Google Omnibox. Your Chrome Omnibox is a tool for you to search not only the internet, but also your drive. Here's where you can type in keywords to find things like, I know I'm teaching grade 9 and I'm looking for the weekly lesson plan for digital citizenship here. So you're going to see these first entries are my Google searches for the internet, and then down below are files that come up with those keywords within my Google Drive. So I can jump to grade 9 lesson 2. Here it goes straight to a slide deck lesson. Here is another weekly schedule that it's recognizing. And then here is grade 9, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11. I'm going to say, yes, that's the one I want. So without having to go to my drive, I can navigate to the files within my drive. And that includes sites. So I can go to an advisory site. Here's my HSD advisory site. First thing that comes up, I've been there often. Or I can navigate to Newsella November calendar, something I recently named. So this is a PDF in my Google Drive that I can recognize quickly and access. I can also look for slide decks. So I can say I want our student tech tips. And then here you'll see the slide icon here for technology tips. So there's my student tech tips that I can navigate and revisit. So you don't need to go into your file or into your waffle and then into your drive to find these files. You simply need to type into your Omnibox keywords that will help you navigate to those. And we hope this helps you feel a little bit more techy and navigate with a little bit more agility and speed.